When flooding happens, one question immediately comes to mind. How will my insurance claim be handled? During widespread disasters, claim volumes can increase significantly. That is why insurers must rely on structured systems, not rushed decisions. At Perla Insurance, we activate a clear and disciplined claims response protocol designed specifically for catastrophe situations. Let's walk through how motor flood claims are handled. First, the process begins with claim notification. Policyholders are advised to submit a detailed incident report, including the date, time, and location of the flood. Clear photographic evidence of the damage is also important. Accurate and early reporting helps us properly classify the claim and immediately schedule the necessary assessment. Second, vehicle inspection and technical assessment. We prioritize early inspection, preferably within 48 hours. Depending on accessibility conditions, our team coordinates with accredited repair facilities to evaluate engine exposure to water, electrical system damage, interior impact, and structural components. Professional inspection ensures consistent and objective damage evaluation. Third, policy coverage verification. At the same time, we verify the policy coverage. This includes confirming whether acts of nature or flood coverage is declared, identifying the applicable deductible or participation, and determining whether the vehicle qualifies for repair or total loss. Clear coverage confirmation prevents misunderstandings later in the process. Once coverage is verified, documentation review follows. Policyholders may be asked to submit a completed claim form, police or barangay report if applicable, photographs of the damage, repair estimates when required, and proof of ownership. Each document is reviewed carefully to ensure completeness and accuracy before the claim moves forward. Fifth, ongoing customer communication. Throughout this process, communication remains a priority. We understand that catastrophe-related claims can be stressful. That is why we provide updates at every stage, explain timelines clearly, coordinate closely with repair facilities, and set realistic expectations for repairs or settlement. Transparent communication is part of service excellence. Sixth, special handling for total loss cases. In some cases, flood damage may be too severe for repair. When a vehicle qualifies as a total loss, the case is elevated to our senior claims officers. A full valuation review is conducted, and settlement discussions are handled with transparency and clarity. This ensures that policyholders receive fair and well-evaluated outcomes. Seventh, turnaround time. For qualified total loss settlements, our average processing turnaround time is approximately 20 to 30 days, subject to complete documentation and final evaluation approval. This structured timeline allows us to conduct proper assessment, ensure fair valuation, maintain financial integrity, and deliver timely settlement. Now you might wonder why structured procedures are so important. During widespread flooding, claim volumes increase, repair facilities may experience backlogs, and part supply can become limited. A disciplined claim system ensures fair treatment for all policyholders, consistent evaluation standards, controlled claim payouts, and operational stability, even during peak disaster periods. Prepared insurers respond with systems, not chaos. At the end of the day, catastrophes test more than policy coverage. They test operational readiness. At Perla Insurance, we follow structured guidelines, prioritize timely inspection, verify coverage carefully, communicate proactively, and maintain defined settlement timelines, including 20 to 30 days for total loss cases. Because in times of flooding and uncertainty, structured processes protect both your claim and your confidence. If you'd like to understand your coverage better or prepare for disaster situations, message us anytime. And for more catastrophe readiness guidance every Friday, follow our page and stay informed.
All is well with Perla Insurance.